Well, we just finished with the installation of the guardrails and the backrest. Just look at that. Now, there are a lot of reasons why I decided not to go with the carrier case, but rather chose this backrest and the change of these two guardrails. Now, these are the reasons. The reasons are one, when I go out, mostly I go out to make content, and most of the times I carry my digital gadgets like digital camera, drones, gimbals, and these things I don't feel comfortable keeping them in a box right here. No matter how well the box is padded, they might shake. And you see, these digital cameras come with sensors, like, you know, the IBs and stuff like that. And the more they shake, you are destroying the quality of the sensors. And so, I don't do that. The second reason is that I love to travel with my tripod. And the reason is that I love making content, and I love making my own content. And therefore, if I have a tripod and I have the box right here, some of the tripods that I have are pretty long, and they might not be folded enough, you know, to just reduce that side to be able to get into that carrier box. And so I love to put my tripod right in here, which is pretty easy. And it's easier for me to be able to put it right here. So do I really need a carrier box? Well, no. And so why should I put it right here? I don't. Well, the third reason is that for me, and this is subjective, it is pretty bulky. If I put whatever size of carrier box right here, be it 34 inch, 54, 64, 74, whatever, it's the aesthetic right here looks a bit bulky for me because I like that sportiness of this bike. And so that's my own perspective. I think that if I go with these BackRest, it really keeps that bike in that sportiness for me. Okay, so if I want to go grocery shopping, how much grocery am I going to just purchase? I can just get them here. Objective. But for me, I love this style. What do you think? What is your style? Would you go for this package or you will go with that box? It depends on how useful you see it. One more thing that you have to remember is that these two guard rails right here, these rails, whatever the name is, okay, the original one which is right here, okay, these two, the original one are aluminum. That is for the Zontes 368E. It comes with an aluminum one, but those aluminum ones, you cannot pierce those hard knots and needles and those threads and whatever in here. They will not stick well. They might break. And so you have to order. That is the downside of it. But then, at the long run, it is cool. Well, if you like this video and you like any part of this video, just even a section of this video, consider subscribing to the channel and click on the like button. It goes a long way to encourage me to come out with a lot more videos. And by the way, a lot more videos are coming on this channel. And I think you will like this video right up here. Catch you on the next one. Cha-cha! So we have cha-cha. So let's go. Let's go. Cha-cha. Put your eyes on the road and ride safely. Peace. We are out.